Welcome to this tutorial on NumPy's squeeze function. Today, we'll explore how to remove single-dimensional entries from array shapes, making your data structures cleaner and more efficient. NumPy's squeeze function is a powerful tool that removes dimensions of size 1 from an array's shape. When you have unnecessary dimensions cluttering your array structure, squeeze helps clean them up automatically. Let's look at a common problem. You might have an array with shape 1, 5, 1, 3. Notice those dimensions with size 1? They don't add any meaningful structure. Using squeeze, we can simplify this to shape 5, 3, removing all those single-dimensional entries. The syntax is straightforward. First, import NumPy as np. Create your array using NumPy's array function. Then call np.squeeze, passing your array as the argument. The result is a cleaned-up version with all single dimensions removed. Here's a practical example. We create an array with shape 1, 1, 1, 3. When we print the shape, we see 4 dimensions. After applying squeeze, the shape becomes just 3. All those unnecessary dimensions of size 1 have been eliminated. Sometimes you want more control. The axis parameter lets you remove specific dimensions. In this example, our array has shape 1, 1, 3. By specifying axis equals 0, we only remove the first dimension, resulting in shape 1, 3. Keep these important points in mind. First, squeeze only removes dimensions with size 1, never larger dimensions. Second, use the axis parameter for selective removal when you need precise control. Third, squeeze returns a view, not a copy, which means it's memory efficient. Squeeze is particularly useful for cleaning up array shapes after broadcasting or reshaping operations. When you perform complex array manipulations, you often end up with extra dimensions. Squeeze helps you maintain clean, manageable array structures throughout your workflow.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.